In this video, we're gonna talk about how to log in to Amazon Prime with another account. If you're trying to use a different account of Amazon Prime, then let me show you the process of doing it. Open up primevideo.com on your web browser, or if you're using the app of Prime Video, it's also the same process. From your app or the website, click on your profile icon on the top right, and now a menu will open up where you'll have an option of sign out. You need to click on the sign out option because there is no option to switch accounts on Amazon Prime Video. Amazon.com, however, has an option of switching accounts, but in case of Amazon Prime Video, you'll need to manually sign out and then click on sign in again, and then type in your details, type in the email address and the password, and then click on sign in. And you'll be logged into a different account. That's the only thing that you can do, and as I earlier said, there is no option to switch accounts like on Amazon.com. So that's the process of logging into Prime Video or Amazon Prime using a different account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.